Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Stand in front of a mirror. Yes, right now. Look at yourself, not just your face. Look into your eyes. This is not just English practice, this is confidence practice. Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine yourself speaking English fluently. You are talking to people confidently. You are smiling. You are relaxed. People listen to you. They understand you. Now open your eyes and see that person in the mirror. That person is you. I will practice every day, even if it's just 5 minutes. I will not give up. I will stay consistent. Small steps every day create big results. The journey to speaking English confidently, standing in front of a mirror, may seem like a simple act, but it can become one of the most powerful ways to transform your confidence in speaking English. When you stand before your own reflection, you are not just looking at your face, you are facing your fears, your doubts, and at the same time, your potential. At first, it might feel uncomfortable. You may avoid eye contact with yourself. You may feel shy, unsure, or even a little embarrassed. That is completely normal. Every learner goes through this phase, but the moment you decide to speak, to look at yourself, and to begin speaking, you take the first step toward growth. Start by relaxing your body. Let your shoulders drop. Take a slow deep breath and allow your mind to calm down. When your body is relaxed, your voice becomes more natural. Then gently smile at yourself. The small action sends a powerful message to your brain. You are safe, you are capable, and you are ready to learn. Now begin speaking, even if it is just a few simple words. You can start with basic sentences like introducing yourself or describing your day. The goal is not perfection, the goal is expression. Many learners wait until they feel ready to speak perfectly, but the truth is, confidence is built through practice, not waiting. As you continue this daily mirror practice, something begins to change inside you. You start noticing your pronunciation, your expressions, and your body language. You become more aware of how you speak. Slowly, your words begin to flow more easily. You make mistakes, but instead of feeling discouraged, you learn from them. Mistakes stop being something to fear and start becoming tools for improvement. One of the most powerful parts of mirror practice is the connection you build with yourself. When you look into your own eyes and say, I am learning English, I am improving every day, you are not just speaking words, you are creating belief. And belief is the foundation of confidence. Over time, this habit begins to reshape your mindset. You stop thinking of yourself as someone who can't speak English and start seeing yourself as someone who is growing, improving, and becoming fluent. The shift in identity is crucial because once you believe you are capable, your actions begin to match that belief. Consistency is the key. Even if you practice for just 5 or 10 minutes a day, what matters is that you show up every day. Small efforts repeated consistently create powerful results. Just like a muscle grows with regular exercise, your confidence and fluency grow with daily speaking practice. There will be days when you feel tired or unmotivated. On those days, remind yourself why you started. Remember your goals, your dreams, and the opportunities that come with speaking English confidently. Every word you speak is a step closer to that future. Imagine yourself having conversation effortlessly, expressing your thoughts clearly, and connecting with people from around the world. That version of you is not far away. It is being built every time you stand in front of the mirror and practice. In the end, mirror practice is not just about learning a language, it is about building confidence, discipline, and self belief. It teaches you to face yourself, to trust yourself, and to grow beyond your limitations. So stand in front of the mirror today. Look at yourself, smile, and begin. Speak without fear. Practice with patience and believe in your progress. Because with time, consistency, and courage, you will not only learn English, you will become a confident speaker. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next lesson.